And what we have here is a 2024 GAC MZOOM GS. And let's start sa front. What we have here is a very distinct flying wing design. At meron din tayong massive logo ng GAC. At meron tayong DRL headlight all in LED. Meron din tayong power adjust side mirrors plus turn signal light indicators para sa added sporty vibe ng car. Meron din tayong roof rails here at medyo mahiyaing door handle. See? Sa likod, makikita natin meron tayong split wing rear spoiler, LED taillight, GS3 MZOOM badging, sensor, lower diffuser, tindig pa lang, alam mong mabilis na.
Wow.
What is that?
At sa ating cargo space, we have 341 liters in capacity at up to 1,271 liters kapag binaba yung upuan sa likod. At makikita natin sa loob, very intact, very pogi, parang sinadya para sa'yo. We have the combination of fabric and leather seats here, soft touch dashboard, my leather, halatang hindi tinipid sa design. Plus, we have the 10.25 inches infotainment here with Apple CarPlay at CarBeat link. At meron tayong air condition controls here, 2 cup holders, at yayamaning shifter. Kasi diamond nga. This car has 20k mileage on the clock at pwedeng mapasayo tong unit na to for as low as 40,000 down payment. Feel free to inquire or visit us in our showroom kasi mamaya, nandito na pala sa Cars Team Unlimited ang dream car na hinahanap mo.